Seems like that the positive bias for the indexes is going to continue, and a much more lively, broader markets. That's what we've had at our hands for the past many trading sessions. Was no different yesterday, and I think today as well we're headed in that same way. The first flashes, and clearly there is outperformance from the broader end of the market. While the Nifty has started off at that 25,150 print in trade, although the implied open was indicating a little bit of a better start perhaps. But let's see, hopefully we can catch up during the due course of the day. The stock movers then, Jana SFB, Jindal SAW, Quest Corp, that's where you should be seeing the meaningful moves coming in. Let's check in on those stocks. BEL also holding up 1% higher as I speak right now. Shriram Finance is seeing some green. Jana is up about almost 5% there right now in trade. Shriram Finance holding up 1%. What about Jindal SAW, Quest Corp, the other newsmakers? They will just come up for you on your screens next. And then, of course, Tata Motors as well after its analyst meet takeaways, the fact that they're going to clock single-digit growth in the domestic CV and the PV segments in FY26. Tata Motors starts off a little bit simmered in a trade right now. Some other names, Tata Motors, IRB Infra, Protean, these are also stocks which should be holding out because of the news flow on them. This Capri Global, they've launched a QIP. That's what also seemed to be indicating. It's a sizable 2,000 crore rupees that they're looking to raise. The indicative issue price could be about 146.5. Well, 3% lower for Capri Global as we speak right now. Other than that, the market texture yesterday, Bandhan Bank, MCX, Manappuram, that's where all the traction turned out to be. Grasim, by the way, has started off a good 3% higher. Bandhan has taken it easy today after that sizable 7% move yesterday. I want to check in on what IIFL is up to. It almost clocked in 8% of a move in trade. And then, of course, the likes of Manappuram, MCX, MGL, the high flyers from yesterday, they also should be noted down. What about Eternal? What's the damage? Is it running really into day two? Because yesterday itself the reports were out that Rapido is now going to get into quick commerce or to delivery rather. Eternal down about 0.6%. 255 is where that stock is right now. Kotak, Jio Finance, Bajaj Finance, Axis, the big financial and banking movers from yesterday. Today the Nifty Bank is a lot more tempered. Perhaps the financial pack is the one which is still leading the charge, while the banks are a lot more simmered, and the Nifty is completely fizzled out now, 25,100. Does it seem like, Kunal, we're going to stay put with this mark of 25,100 today on the index?
Well, I think even if we consolidate over here for a couple of days, it should be good enough because